This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel data for practice. We'll explore several straightforward methods to acquire datasets, ensuring you have plenty of material for honing your Excel skills. You'll learn where to find free, ready-to-use data online and how to generate your own custom information. This approach makes practicing with real-world scenarios simple and effective, boosting your proficiency quickly. One of the easiest ways to get practice data is from public sources. Government websites, like data.gov, provide vast amounts of information on various topics. Academic institutions often share research data, and many open data portals aggregate these resources. Most of this data is available in common formats like CSV, which Excel can import with ease, giving you a rich pool for practice. If you need specific types of data, generating your own is a great option. Excel offers features like fill series and various functions to create random numbers, text, and dates. There are also many free online tools that can generate custom datasets based on your criteria, allowing you to specify column types and data ranges. This method gives you full control over your practice material. Once you have your data, importing it into Excel is usually a simple process. The next crucial step is often data cleaning, where you'll identify and remove duplicates, correct formatting issues, and handle missing values. This prepares your data for analysis. Then, you can apply various Excel functions, create pivot tables, and build charts, effectively practicing your skills with realistic scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.